The rear clutch is similar in construction to the front clutch, but with a larger diameter piston and a coil-type return spring. This spring is compressed against the face of the clutch piston when fitted. The outer plates in this clutch are the driven plates and are splined to engage with the splines in the clutch drum as before. These plates may have a flat surface or a slightly dished or coned surface. The dished plates provide a cushioning effect, which assists with smooth engagement when the clutch is applied. The plates may be fitted as a pack, with the dishing in either direction, but all of the dishing must face the same way, or clearance may be compromised. The inner plates are splined to mate with splines on an extension on the front clutch drum. They transmit the drive from the input shaft to the outer plates when the clutch is engaged. The clutch plates are assembled in the pack alternately, with the steel plate placed first against the clutch piston. The pressure plate is assembled last, and the pack is retained in the drum by a snap ring.